Coda got a gift from one of his followers, and we're gonna open it together. Let's see if he comes over. Oh, already.
Yeah, you want to smell it?
The smell of Amazon. Okay. Oh my goodness. All you need is loaf. Wow, it's a strong catnip smell, actually. I can smell it as soon as I open the bag. It has little strings. Ta-da!
Coda, look at this.
Yes. You love it. Oh, he's biting it. I don't know if, I hope you can see. Do you love the bread? You're hugging the bread. He's like, let go already. I just want it. Move this over here. Come here.
Oh yes, that's so tasty.
And he's bunny kicking. And eating the tassels. Okay, maybe, can I flip you so that she can see you? There we go. He's happy. He thanks you. Thank you so much for loving me. I appreciate it. Mwah. You are going to love this, Coda. I know you can't tell what it is, but it is your favorite thing. Oh, this he's going to like. This I have a feeling he's going to really, really like. There's a little chicken and a mouse. Okay. That's my foot. Okay. Try the mouse first. We're not eating the plastic. Sorry. That is not on the menu. But this is. So we stick this part, I think, up onto the ceiling. And then this part goes onto the mouse. This one also kind of smells catnipy. This would go like this, and then he would just attack the little mouse, which he already loves it. Let's set this one up before we set all of them up, okay? That way, we know what height to do them. Let's tie this a bunch so it doesn't come undone. You really like the texture of this very stretchy string. Coda's a fan. Coda loves all of these things very much. It's a lot of knots. Okay, so then I'll hang this up on a door and let's see what happens. thank you. To look at the camera. That's not the camera, that's the camera. Say thank you very much. I love my new gifts. I appreciate them. I appreciate your love. He wants to play with his new gifts. But it's important we learn to be polite. Thank you so much. We love them.